looking for these guys. True survival catch and cook, guys. Better get a bait from the ground. Oh yes. So there we have it, guys. This is the bait we want. 5 or 6 of these. Be able to catch at least 5 or 6 fish. Pretty good size worms, earthworms. Have to look at them. There's them there. So that's the bait we're going to be using. Alright guys, so I have the bait in hand. Next step is we're going to try to catch you fish. True survival, catch and cook. From the ground to the water. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the next step in the survival challenge video, we need to get ourselves a rod. So we're going to look for a bamboo rod behind me. Kind of thick bush, not sure if it have a drain or anything. We're going to just take a slow walk and see if we find one. Nothing too long, maybe 6-7 feet, just so we can tie the annual line on it to make our cork rod. So we're going in the bamboo to look for a rod. Let's see how it goes. Cutlass get kind of dull, so we gotta hope we can chop down something with this. Ah, look a nice one here. Here. So we're chopping out all the side branches while it's still attached, because it's a lot easier that way. Ah, there we go. Ah, this should be just about perfect. That was quite lucky. As long as we're walking, it gotta be perfect. Should be okay. Probably might look for one more, just for good order's sake, because that was so fast. Maybe want a little lighter action. Too light. This one looking good here. Like somebody done shave this one already. Could be nature's gift. There we go. Nice. So 2 rods in the matter of a couple minutes. 1, 2. We'll trim it a little more as we go there. Let's go, man. So we've got the bamboo rods. So we're just trimming it a little bit more, guys. These little small edges. Now I'll leave any knot here so we can tie the line easy to the end. And we should be good to go there. So to set up the bamboo rod, just grabbing the rod. So we have the rod, taking the line, just tying onto the end here by the knot. So we left it for, so we get a bit of a grip. Tie it as securely as you can. And when we get that monster cascadoo to take your line. And when you set up a cork line, the length of the line should be the rod length The length of the rod is there max, plus how much you want to have your cork below, your sinker below, your hook below your cork. So the length of the rod plus maybe about 2 feet for this shallow place is where we're going to be cutting it. And we're going to set it up with a cork and a hook. We'll do 2 rods like that and start fishing. Like I said, a length of the rod plus about 2.5 feet. Check it out, guys. Small as it can get. No big fish, guys, but 4 or 5 could make a meal. Alright guys, for the cork we have this. It's a wine cork. For the float, I should say, we have a wine cork. I made a little slit in it right there so you could tie a line. Hook is on there already, just tied it with a uni knot as always. You could pull a AJ with a uni knot. I feel like you could pull a Coscora with a uni knot. I think here it's fairly shallow, so I'm going to make it like 1.5 feet to start off with to see if we get any bites. So there we go. That's one down. This other float, this one's actually adjustable. A subscriber by the name of Paul from Finland actually sent me a set of these, finally getting to use it. So you pull this out, you'll thread the line through this hole here. So once you get it through the hole to the height you want it, you stick this back in and I'll lock the line in. Just like that. And it's adjustable. So this one we can keep on adjusting until we find the correct depth. Tie hook to the bottom with a uni. So we have 2 rods ready to start fishing. Our bait of choice, saw me catch them, earthworms. So let's bait them up, start to fish. We have one guy right here. I'll break him in half and use half on each side of each hook. So this is one. This side looking a little more fishy. Just gonna drop that there for now. So we have 2 lines out. I hope we get some bites. Okay guys, I think I've just got the first bite on my line there. Just move the cork a bit. Breeze is blowing a lot. I don't think that was the breeze because the cork kind of made a jerk. Yeah, there it is. Definitely something small playing with the bait. Come on, take the bait. Swim with it. Alright guys, I'm gonna give it a minute again, check the bait. I'm going to walk around and go and throw in that corner there. I've seen little small cats could jump in that corner. It might be too small, but still is activity. Could have other fish as well below. So give this a couple of minutes again. If the fish doesn't take it and go with it, we'll go across there. Okay guys, so we relocated to the side here. She wanna be fishing right here in the weeds. Well, load it up actually. So one day, I said this pond don't produce anything in about half an hour. We gotta look for somewhere else. Okay, this line is getting a bite. It's getting a bite. Oh, fish! Yes! Oh, nice akara. Wow! Wow! Pretty big one. Oh, and he actually swallowed the bait, boy. Wow! This is a nice eating size, guys. Woo! This is what we're after. Trying to take this hook out and go back again. Why did I lengthen the length of the cork to the hook and put on a bigger piece of bait, and that's what works. So I might have to change that one. So I'm gonna put this guy in the bucket, start back to fish. Target species, guys, big akara caught. When I get him off, get back to fishing. Here we go. Alright guys, got him off into the bucket. It's actually a real nice eating size. Alright guys, I'm still trying to bait back up this line, and this line's starting to go. Yes! Whoa! Small old fish this time. Oh my goodness, with me bite of the hook. There we go. My hook still there. Damn fish bite of the hook, boy. Damn. What we eating? Okay guys, so we have two fish in the bucket, a nice big akara and a small wolfish. Two fish to eat. Wolfish is a bit small, but it's a survival situation. But if I do get two more akaras like that size, I'll throw him back. He did bite off the hook, so I had to retie, which I did. I'm now beating back up here now. We're on a bigger bait here to attract a big akara again. The last one took a pretty decent sized piece of bait. So go and throw this band back out, and I'll catch you when we get the next bite. Hopefully it's a big akara. To catch a cascade, that'll be a bonus, but they're a little harder to get. Guys, getting a bite on this line right here. You can see it's moving. Let them take it a little bit. Decent size piece of bait, small hook, small fish. Is it going? Yes, nice akara. Yes. Food. Back my bait there, boss. Guys, they're not big, but 3 or 4 of these are a meal. Alright guys, let's shift to that line over there. Nothing as yet. This line just got another hit. You can see the bobber moving. Tip it up and down, just like that. Wait a little bit, let him take it a little more. Yeah. Oh yes, next akara. Right guys, 3 akaras. We should have a good meal there. This one's swallowed as well, boy. Wow. Alright guys, so fishing about 5 minutes again, if so much. We're gonna start to cook. Since I get the 3 akaras, this is the smaller size. Got the 2 other, one was bigger, one is about the same size. 3 of these should make a decent meal. So the wolfish will get to live. He's a small guy, so I do have a little special place in my heart for the wolfish. So I'll throw him back, cook up these 3 akaras. Survival fishing. Bamboo rod. Alright guys, the bamboo rod did the trick. Caught 4 fish in about half an hour. This is the wolfish. Small guy. Check him out. You know, survival situation, could still be eaten, but since I like wolfish so much, I'm going to throw him back. One right behind. You good too. Because 3 of these guys, akaras, or koskara, what do you call them? Koski in Trinidad. Could more than make a meal for me. 3 fish, so go and clean them up, scale them, gut them, throw them in the frying pan. He's a big fella here. Bamboo rod, good to go. Bamboo rod guys, nice akara. Lunch is served. Alright guys, so we have some basic ingredients. We're going to cook it up in pimento, garlic, onion. So I'm going to put these fish away for now, give them a quick little seasoning with salt, black pepper. Make any slits as always. Important to make your slits on your fish guys. I realized that 2 was enough for me guys, so I actually released the 3rd one. Don't like to waste anything, so next little wash. Alright guys, to start off with, I'm gonna put some salt, black pepper, and it could come out. And squeeze some lime. Some lime for after too. Both sides. Black pepper. That'll mix up in there. Marinate for 2 minutes. Set that right here. Right. Stove lighted. Put in some oil. Get chewing all the seasonings. Alright guys, I'll just flavor the oil a bit and put in the fish. Let them cook a couple minutes on either side. I try to add a little bit more oil. Some more lime. Okay guys, so just about done there. One more turn and we plate it up and dig into it. I think I forgot our fork today, so we might have to wait for it to cool a little bit before we eat it. Yeah, so just about done there. Peel kind of fell off, but nice small thing. So I'm plate it up and dig into it. Check it out guys. Finished product. Freshwater akara, coscarab as we interested in Trinidad. 2 fish, enough for a meal for me. I don't fork today, so using my hand. Check the meat. White and nice, boy. Not too bad. Check it out guys. Tasting pretty good actually. Meal is there, tasting boss. Catch and cook survival style, bamboo rod, worm for bait, fresh water, quick cook up. Well, take it ask for. Fishing is a survival skill. It's also a lot of fun, but fishing could be used to survive. In the worst case scenario, you could catch food, protein to eat. Check it out, I did it. I'm finished eating this now. Till the next episode guys, keep fishing, fish on.